I just want to spend a moment talking about what's happening worldwide. You know, there are different governments, different approaches to digital currency. El Salvador, as I mentioned, is the only country in the world that's approved Bitcoin as legal tender. Nations like the United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, Australia are taking what's being seen as a pro-crypto stand. And then there are those like China that have put a blanket ban on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Here's how cryptos are being viewed the world over.
Bitcoin and Ethereum, the largest and second largest cryptocurrencies in the world, surging to new highs, rising as far as $67,700 and $4,800 respectively. Both have more than doubled since June and added nearly 70% against the dollar since the start of October. The little more than decade-old market for digital assets has already roughly quadrupled from its 2020 year-end value and now stands at $3 trillion in market capital. As cryptocurrency becomes a more significant factor in the global investment landscape, countries have taken different approaches to regulating the asset class. El Salvador is the only country in the world to allow Bitcoin as legal tender. In June this year, the country's Congress formally adopted Bitcoin as a form of payment. The United States has also taken a generally positive stance towards Bitcoin. Prominent businesses like Dish Network, Microsoft, Subway and Overstock welcome payments in Bitcoin. The digital currency has also made its way to the US derivatives market, adding to its legitimacy. Canada too maintains a generally Bitcoin-friendly stand. Bitcoin transactions are viewed as barter, and the income generated is treated as business income. But some major Canadian banks have banned the use of their credit and debit cards for Bitcoin transactions. Similar to Canada, Australia considers Bitcoin neither money nor a foreign currency, with the Australian Taxation Office ruling it as an asset for capital gains tax purposes. United Kingdom has a pro-Bitcoin stance and wants the regulatory environment to be supportive of the digital currency. Bitcoin is under certain tax regulations in the UK. Germany is open to Bitcoin, where it is considered legal but taxed differently depending upon whether the authorities are dealing with exchanges, miners, enterprises or users. Bitcoin, however, is banned in China. All banks and financial institutions are prohibited from dealing in Bitcoin. The Chinese government has cracked down on miners, and cryptocurrency exchanges are also banned. In Russia too, the use of Bitcoin as payment for goods and services is illegal. Bolivia, Colombia and Ecuador have also banned the use of Bitcoin. India is considering a middle path on cryptocurrencies. What will it be? We'll have to wait and watch. Bureau Report, India Today.